This space here, this is one of the first design that Glick's done this way. Our salesman, Kyle Schaefer, pretty much laid out this compartment with the diamond plate, and then we have hand tools mounted on each side. Glick did a fabulous job mounting this. I'm Chief Tom Schumberger of the Upper Allen Fire Department. Today we're going to be doing a walk around of our Pierce Ascendant, which we purchased from Glick Fire Equipment. We opted to go with a short bumper because of the cue and the air horns to make them fit, but we went with the shortest bumper as we could to give us a better angle pulling in on calls. This is the cab. Glick was able to mirror the cab on our other rigs. Our crew cab is set up so every riding position has its own air pack. Glick mounted all the flashlights, portables, air pack masks. We also have a fire comm system in it so the crew can talk to the driver and vice versa, the driver or the officer can talk to the crew and give out assignments on the way. This is our driver's compartment to be able to stick their gear in when they're driving. We also have the driver's air pack in there, Stokes basket, a spare Halligan bar for the driver to use if he needs it for a call. This would be our first aid compartment. We have a jump pack in here, an AED, latex gloves, cleaning supplies, and we also have a small refrigerator. This compartment, our department recently started going with LED lights. We carry batteries for them, and we also have a generator on board, and we have a cord reel for that. Our department also performs RIT for a lot of the departments in the area, so we carry a RIT pack on the truck. This compartment is all of our ropes used for rescue. We also have a little giant ladder. We carry a spare air cylinder for every pack, so we can do quick change outs. This will be our saw compartment. We carry 2 K12 saws, we carry 2 vent saws, and then we carry a standard steel tree saw. So we carry the fuel for them. Glick mounted the blades on the spare blades on the door for us. I do have to say they did a wonderful job mounting the saws just how we wanted them. This compartment, we have a dry chem extinguisher, a CO extinguisher, shovel, the hose roller for over the edge of a building, and then we also carry our ladder belts in this compartment. And the reason we set it up with the ladder belts and stuff, it's right underneath the bucket so we can be able to hand them up without having to go one way or the other. This is probably the compartment I'm most proud of. We fit as many ladders in this compartment as Pierce would let us. We carry 235s, 228s, 316s plus tools. And then our generator fits nicely underneath the ladder compartment. These lights are very nice. The backup camera is integrated in the light, and then these lights change colors, also arrows stick for traffic. Pierce and Glick did a fabulous job getting all them nested all together where they wouldn't interfere with anything. This compartment in the back has our Stokes basket brackets. There again, we put them right underneath the bucket. So if in the event we would need them, all we have to do is hand them up to the bucket and they're right here in line. We have lifting slings as well in that compartment, and the bracket for the parapet ladder as well is in there. This compartment, as I said, with the LED lights, our fans are all battery operated now. We have 4 fans, they're all the same make model. We have all different kinds of hand tools to do any type of extrication we need to. And then we also have a Milwaukee 9-inch K12 saw that's battery operated to be able to use inside a structure. And then we obviously carry spare batteries for them. This is our basically salvage and overhaul compartment. Tarps, floor runners, chimney bucket, all of our chimney chains and chimney toolkit are all together in one compartment. And then we have an assortment of cribbing. This compartment is set up identical to the one on the other side. Hose to be able to help us get water for the tower. This is our intake for the tower. One of the things we've done is put an outlet below it in case we need a protection line for the truck. As long as we're getting fed by a positive water source, we'll be able to hook a hose to that and use it as a protection line for the truck. These are our forcible entry tools. You can see we got bolt cutters, sledgehammer, axe, Halligan. You'll notice on the outside of our rig, we've got a large number of hand tools mounted. We've built this to be very functional with the ladder complement, the hand tools and everything. So if you come off the rig, you should have a hand tool with you. or one readily available for you.